How to contact Bilibili customer support. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap Me at the bottom right to open your profile page. Next, scroll down and look for the feedback or facts section. Tapping on facts will show common questions and answers which might solve your issue quickly without needing to contact support. If your issue isn't listed in the facts, tap on feedback. Here you can write a detailed description of your problem or question. Make sure to include relevant information like your account details, device type, and a clear explanation of the issue to help the support team assist you faster. After filling in your message, tap Submit. Your feedback will be sent to Bilibili's customer support team and they will respond to you through the app or via email if required. Now you know how to contact Bilibili customer support safely and efficiently through the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.